Hello, my name is Andy and I am the village idiot. I'm armed with a car, a GoPro and an unhealthy amount of time on my hands. My ambition is to visit every civil parish in England. This is the very first video. Where am I today? Carry on watching to find out. Today we are in the parish of Harthill with Woodall. As the name suggests, there are two villages here. The main one is Harthill and there's a smaller hamlet of Woodall a mile away to the west. Harthill is an ancient village at the southeastern tip of South Yorkshire. Traditionally it's an agricultural village and there are many farms dotted around within the parish boundaries, although there is a history of quarrying whetstones for use in knife sharpening. Its population is around 1900 and makes up one of the 31 parishes in Rotherham. Its postcode though is S26, which falls under Sheffield, and the dialing code is 01909. As you enter the village from Kiverton Park to the north, you find North Farm Estate, which as you can see is now quite overgrown and abandoned. These are some of the abandoned farm buildings you can see on the right as you enter the village. Harthill has two public houses, the Beehive and the Bluebell, which we will see later. The Beehive has been a proper country pub for over 150 years and in 2017 underwent a significant refurbishment. The pub still retains its country feel, mixed with a modern and friendly atmosphere. There's a good menu and a nice outdoor seating area for country eats. Opposite the Beehive is the parish church of All Hallows. Hallows Church. This is an Anglican parish church and a Grade 1 listed building, commissioned by William de Warenne, son-in-law of William the Conqueror, 1080 AD. The tower is mainly 15th century, but the nave arcades were built when the Norman style was passing, and the old font is a Jacobean cover and a fine old chest, and the modern woodwork is richly carved. The tower originally contained 8 bells. Over the centuries, 2 bells were lost. The 6 remaining bells were dated from 1860 to 1889. They were replaced by a current set in 1937. In 1999, the church was valued at £1.25 million for insurance purposes, compared to £689 in 1831. Beneath the church is the Osborne family vault. The final resting places of 8 Dukes of Leeds. The Bluebell, the second of the village pubs. Along Woodall Lane we find the Methodist Chapel. Sounds like they're having some work done in there today. Opposite the chapel is Spence Field. Harthill Reservoir. And here we have Harthill Reservoir. This feeds the Chesterfield Canal. It's a grey and murky day today, so we can't really see it for all its beauty, but it is usually a pretty little reservoir located in the middle of the village. It has a nice surface footpath you can see in the distance running alongside the water and through a small woodland section. The walk can be extended if you head south to Pebbly Reservoir, or to the north you can pick up Cuckoo Way, and that leads around Kiverton and eventually into Shire Oaks. The reservoir is very popular with fishermen. There are usually keen anglers here along the banks. Also a haven for wildlife. Okay, we've just come back down from the reservoir. I'm back outside the chapel. I'm going to go on a little mystery tour up this footpath. Let's see where it goes. These are the bus routes you can catch in the village. Okay, I'm on the corner of Doctor Lane and I found this. This is apparently a copy of the Harthill with Woodall tapestry. Now, where the actual original is, I don't know. Maybe if you know, you can let me know in the comments. And this is dead opposite Harthill Primary School. Here we are in the graveyard outside All Hallows Church. It's a very large churchyard, lots of old graves. Let's have a grave walk, let's see what we can find. Okay, we've left Harthill behind now, and this is Woodall, a small hamlet which is also part of the parish. It's really just two roads, Dokar Lane and that one which I can't pronounce. I think it's Walsiker Lane. Let's have a walk towards it. There you see the M1. Now Woodall gives its name to a services on the M1. Let's go and visit them. But before we do, here's the Woodall sign. Here we are at Woodall Services. I'm on the northbound side of the M1. Now there is a southbound services as well, linked by the footbridge behind those two trees. That's where we're going now. Okay, it's a little noisy, but we're on the footbridge, linking both sides of Woodall Services. Fun fact, there's only two services in the United Kingdom that have 24-hour McDonald's. One of them is here, the other one is Fleet in Hampshire. I guess McDonald's is no longer 24 hours. Thanks, COVID. Okay, so we're on the southbound side, and you can see the village of Woodall in the distance through the mist. Woodall grew up as a village for workers at Kiverton Park Colliery, which is now since gone, and these days it's more of a commuter village for Rotherham and for Sheffield. That's just about going to do it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you've enjoyed what you've seen. Harthill with Woodall off the list. See you later, guys. Village Idiot out.